बोलत्या घेऊन येत आहे ममता.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव ममता. आजच्या परिपाठांतर्गत मी मला बोलदा विषय घेतला आहे डेली स्कूल लाईफ. Daily school life. My daily school life is full of learning and fun. I wake up early, get ready, and go to school with my friends. In the morning, we have classes where teachers explain lessons in simple ways. During the break time, we eat snacks and play games in the playground. After that we continue with more subjects like math, science, and reading. At the end of the day, we finish homework and share laughs before going home. I learn new things and spend time with friends. Thank you.